Signature Series, we often get asked what it is we do. The short answer is, we build cars. If you could ask your favorite supercar company like Pagani to build your very own one-of-one BMW X6, what would that be like? How much creativity and innovation would be put into your car with Pagani flair and vision? That is what we do. We build cars that push creative and performance boundaries. We go from this to this, and this to this. When money is no longer a limitation, how are you able to celebrate your success and independence? In a world where anyone with a big enough checkbook can buy the same, or better than anyone else, how do you stand out? This is not a fear of missing out. This is a fear of blending in. After working so hard and achieving so much, why would you want to get lost in the crowd? Your car should be a celebration of your unique independence and success, a limited edition just like you are. True value is not buying the most expensive car. It's buying the one car that no one else can buy. Signature Series Supercars International.